Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Jamaican black castor oil, which is the perfect oil if you're having any kind of scalp issues, you're having trouble getting your hair to grow, you need to stimulate some blood flow to your scalp. This is the perfect oil for you. We're going to talk more about the benefits of Jamaican black castor oil. Today I'm going to be reviewing some black castor oil from Lifestyle Essentials and I'm super excited to give it a try. I'm going to be using it to make like a scalp ointment, kind of like a scalp balm, and that you can easily apply to your hair. Now you can definitely apply this oil as is. It's just like a carrier oil. It's super thick, you guys. The viscosity of black Jamaican castor oil is one of my favorites. It just really proves the quality of it, how it is made. They roast the beans, they boil it down, and that's how they extract it instead of using harmful chemicals like hexane. Hexane is a chemical usually used to extract oils from like beans like soy and others, but you definitely don't have to worry about that with this oil. This oil is paraben free. There are no artificial nothings, no GMOs. It's just pure oil, okay? And they really took the time to make sure this was a quality oil so that you can use it directly on your scalp to stimulate growth, to help with eczema, and to also get rid of any dandruff or any other ailments, okay? So we're just gonna jump right into this video. It's gonna be some very simple ingredients, you guys. I'm using beeswax. Now if you're vegan, you want to use the vegan form of beeswax. You can use candelier wax or some other waxes that are vegetable based and you don't have to worry about beeswax, but keep in mind that candelier wax is a harder wax, so you will have to add a little bit more oil, so just test the ratios to get it just right, okay? So I'm gonna stick with beeswax because I think it's the perfect substitute for petroleum, which is usually used to make ointments, but it just has some qualities that we don't want in our natural ointment, okay? So we're gonna be using Murumuru Butter also to help with the consistency, and Murumuru Butter is also very light on the scalp. It soaks right in. It doesn't clog your pores. So it's a great substitute to add in as well. So this is my oil blend. I think I used sweet almond oil. I believe I also used some argan oil. All of the ingredients were carefully picked to complement the Jamaican black castor oils. They all work really well for the scalp and curing dandruff and dryness, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead. I've already added in the Jamaican black castor oil, but I just wanted to show you guys a clip of me adding more because the viscosity is so different from the other carrier oils and you can clearly see it. I had to get the rest of it that was left in the bowl out with a spoon. It's super thick, you guys, and I just love that quality about Jamaican black castor oil. All right, and we're just going to melt this down on low heat. The beeswax is going to take the longest to melt down, so you can do that separately first and then add your other oils if that works best for you as well. Okay, so I've already heated down my wax, my oils, and you guys, this stuff can definitely solidify super fast, but you want to get your essential oils in there before that happens, okay? So not while it's too hot, but just let it cool a little bit and just watch it, because if it starts to solidify, you guys, you're gonna have to remelt it all over again. Once again, I use essential oils to complement the Jamaican black castor oil that will help with the scalp. I use lavender, tea tree, grapefruit, and also some ginger essential oils, and I just mixed those in. I think I used about maybe 10 to 15 drops of each of those and mixed them in. These also are going to help the scalp, make soothing the scalp, clearing it of inflammation, and clearing it of any bacterial, fungal, any of that bad stuff, you know, okay? So we're trying to get our scalp as healthy as possible, as clean as possible, and we want to keep it healthy, and we don't want to use any ingredients that's going to clog our pores or cause any more issues or irritation. And what I love about Jamaican black castor oil is that it has a low comedogenic score, which means that it has a very low chance of clogging your pores, which makes it great for the face as well as the scalp as well as the hair. It's going to just melt right in, okay? So anyway, now that I've added my essential oils, I'm gonna go ahead and immediately start to pour this into my container, because if you don't, you guys, you're gonna have to remelt it down. It solidifies very quickly, especially once it hits that cool container compared to the warm glass container that you had it in previously, okay? So yeah, you want to go ahead and pour it in and then just let it solidify. Don't touch it, don't mess with it or anything like that. Don't put it in the freezer. You want to keep that very nice ointment type consistency, and freezing it is just going to make it really hard, so you don't want to do that, okay? Because we're not whipping this up. It's just going to be left like this. Super easy, right? Very easy. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, okay? You could definitely use this on your scalp once or twice a day, or 3-4 times a week, as well as the Jamaican castor oil. You can also do the same thing with it, you guys. A couple times a week is enough to help stimulate blood flow to your scalp, which therefore will help you to grow your hair longer, stronger, and protect it. Make it healthy, make it happy, okay? You can also infuse your oils with herbs to enhance it, and you can also use maybe 5% less beeswax to give you more of an ointment, looser texture as well. All right, you guys, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram to stay up to date. Go check out Lifestyle Essentials so you can get your own Jamaican black castor oil. I believe they do have some discounts going on right now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces gracias a mi mujer.